As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner's Ron. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. It's currently 7:50, all right, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys, you can see on the screen right here we have Forex Factory, the news for the day. All right, pretty exciting times here. We got Empire State and PPI and Core PPI at 8:30. Okay, so that's the news that I'm looking for 100%. All right. So, guys, before we do any charting or anything like that, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're not financial advisors, okay? We're not, looking for any massive trades. All right, try to risk only about 1% per trade. Also, guys, you can check out the links. They're not all posted here, but after the call they will be. Link to MFF, which is our recommended broker, okay, is 5% off Stock Sniper Trading. Our recommended prop firm, our recommended broker is HankoTrade. Okay, guys, you can check the link there actually in our description box. So make sure to download them, try out a demo account first, and then fund them if you like the way they go. We currently have accounts with them, and they're doing very, very well for us. Okay, so guys, currently you can see that we have some market movement here. All right, had a nice London session, and I think everything's waiting for that big news time. All right, so you can see right here. At 8:30, this is what we're looking for. Okay, you can see Empire State, US, PPI, Core PPI. These are the key 3 folders that we're going to look at for today's trading. Okay, so guys, you can see we have gold here. All right, nice big move happening, continuously buying for November 10th, got 11th, 12th, and then we're at the 15th here. So let's get down to some charting here. You can see that gold can obviously make a nice little push up to that 1800 level if PPI and the DXY does maybe sell off. Okay, gold to pick up some volume and start to go in that bullish continuation. But let's watch and see how price moves. Okay, we don't want to make any prejudgments here. We can try as best as we can, but the news is going to tell us everything we need to know. Okay, so let's go with our daily support level here. Okay, and that's a nice little wick support. Okay, got a nice little resistance just above here. Daily resistance. Okay, guys, if you want to see any other pair instrument, we got to smash these likes up to 100. Okay, we're not even going to look at anything until we get there. And I'm just going to quickly check the channel right now. So we got about 33 here, 34. Let's see if we can smash those likes up to 100. And then we'll start to look at other instruments here too. Okay, we've got 4 hour here. Members, there was 6 levels sent for all trades. Pick and choose your poison. Okay, we got Dow, Silver, SP, NASDAQ, Gold, and then the DAX. I will send it one more time just so you guys can have it here. And these were sent in our Discord. Okay. I do have a nice support level here holding on that 4 hour doji candle. Okay, and I can see a nice resistance just above. Okay, so 4-hour support. And I can see my 4-hour resistance. Okay, let's take a look at the hourly here. A nice consolidation leading on gold. Okay, don't have much in terms of hourly support other than just a bunch of wicks. Okay, so let's maybe drop down to our 15. Get better image of structure here. You can see it's definitely consolidated, waiting for the next big move coming out for that news. Okay, so I'm going to gather some 15-minute support. Okay, and then I'm going to look at some 15-minute rejection just above here. Then we're going to work on our 5, and you can see what's happening on gold, guys. This is just consolidating, bouncing in and out of a zone here. All right, just make a quick update. Okay, looking good to the left. And this is our current zone that we are trading in right now on gold. Okay, so obviously we're looking for a breakout, and it's going to happen with this news coming in about 35 minutes. Until then, guys, we're just going to be chilling out. All right, and I'm not going to be doing too much. Okay, just FYI, hopefully you guys are feeling the same way. As much as we see a nice, if you guys were trading and wanted to trade this, you can see we have a nice demand zone just below. Okay, and then a nice supply zone just above. There we go. Okay, so that would be your type of trading right now. And what's the range we're working in? Okay, current range from supply to demand, you're looking at about a $4 move. Okay, Dominique, it's Global Prime. Okay, so we'll just sit back and relax here. We'll take a look at the DXY, probably consolidated as well. Okay, so let's go take a peek at the DXY real quick. Okay, so the DXY is having nice movement actually. We're at that 106.09. All right. So we'll take a look at the hourly here. This is everything that we've been trading. If you look at the 4-hour, we are very low on the DXY. I haven't been here in quite some time, guys. This is what we've been trading all but prior. Okay, we're making new lows here. So this thing's coming to like 104.5 if it's going to continue to sell off. Maybe 105 first. Okay, let's mark up a key level here. Okay, 105. And remember, this is on the 4-hour, guys. So if we go to the 15-minute, you can see that's what we're in right here. Okay, I do see nice, consolidation structure on the DXY, just similar to gold. All right, and you can notice that if we break below this 105.9, which is the bottom consolidation, okay, we're probably going to come to 105 point maybe 6 before having any kind of move. 105, where are we at right there? 105.6 here. Okay, and then if we do break bullish, guys, you can see we have a nice support level hold at 106.6. There we go. Gonna add both. And we're gonna work from there. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, the DXY here. Key levels 106.6, 105.6. All right, big zone. All right, so let's go back and take a peek at gold. All right, so we got about 36 seconds, okay, for that hourly change up. All right, we all know how these hourlies work from if you've been watching with me for a while. Gonna have some massive impulsive moves. We might not actually have something like that coming in for this, as we have that news coming in at 8:30. So we'll just be very patient, see how things are gonna move. Okay, so we pick up some volume here at 8. All right. Okay, so probably testing that supply area here. Just a pure consolidative structure here today, guys. So all eyes are going to be on that 8:30, 8:15. You're probably going to start to see a bigger move come in. Okay. All right. So guys, 10 more legs, and we'll go take a look at NASDAQ. All right. All right, guys. Members, you guys have all those 6. Okay. The only one is gold. Okay. Just keep in mind the gold trade. All right. The one level that was sent here, we're far past here. Okay. But keep that for the rest of the day. All right. That's the trend so far. Okay. So you guys, I'm going to share it in the Zoom. All right. Post it here. That's the trend. Okay. You can see the second word there. All right. That's the trend we're currently in so far. All right. On the lower time frame. Okay. So just monitor everything accordingly leading into that 8:15 time. Okay. Okay, so let's go take a peek at NASDAQ now. All right, let's do a top down on nasty. You can see big bullish trend here, guys. All right, nothing has stopped NASDAQ so far. Okay, I see nice resistance coming in. We're currently at. Okay, so that's the daily resistance. All right, and if we go run, you can see the TP we have at that big long wick above. All right, let's find some daily support here. Use that bottom candle. Okay, let's use the bottom here just as a TP. Let's go to the 4-hour now. Okay, so 4-hour here, got some resistance just currently at the daily. We got some support level just below. All right, take a peek to the left here. Long wick on NASDAQ. Okay, coming to about 12040. Okay, 12065. Anywhere around in that area, you can see that wick to the left. Okay, so we're starting to break above. For me, a key rejection area on NASDAQ is around 11975. This thing looks pretty bullish, guys. Okay, so let's go to the hourly now. Okay, nice hourly support has been broken here. That break of structure, you can see resistance here. All right, nice push to the upside, getting rejected at that 11,900 so far. Going to use my 1-hour support just below. My 1-hour resistance, I'm going to look at 11920. Okay, look at that trend happening here. Nice bullish continuation even on the hourly. All right, let's look at the 15. Still pushing through here. Very strong, guys. 11,900 is going to be your next rejection area. Whole number. Okay, so that would be my 15-minute resistance. And this will be my higher time frame resistance as well. Okay. So we're still making new higher highs here. All right. Let's go to the 5-minute. We're going to watch and see NASDAQ. Okay, just erase that here. Still making that higher high. Look at where we're at. Nice continuation movement here. A little bit of divergent play, but the volume is starting to pick back up. All right, we're going to probably tap that 15-minute resistance, guys. So let's monitor here. And then we have gold. Okay, so 808's time. All right, look at this, just choppy. There's NASDAQ pushing. Okay, coming to that 15-minute, 11,900 critical level here. Okay, still making that higher high. Let's see that close of the last 8-10 candle here. Okay, there we go, guys. We just tapped that 11,900. Let's see on Goldie here how it's moving. There we go. There's that push. Okay, getting to that supply area here. Okay, but here we go, guys. There we go, picking up some volume here. We're going to test in that 4-hour resistance pretty strong coming into that 815 level. Okay, so watch NASDAQ too. Okay, 11,900. Look at this big move here, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a nice volume breakout of consolidation. You can see we had a nice trap here. All right, on the 4-hour, it was nice and bullish. Okay, take a peek. Look at the continuation that we had. Nice volume-based push. All right. That's the 15-minute. Look at this push structure, consolidation, big volume candle continuing. All right, and this is what it looks like on the 5-2. Okay, into supply. There we go, guys. All right. So gold just made a nice support level hold. Okay, so we can mark that level up. Roughly 1775. Okay. Okay, guys, I quickly let my dog out here. I'll be 2 seconds. I'll be right back. We're going to monitor gold. All right, guys, you can see here nice resistance starting to form. Okay, about a minute and 40 here left on that 813 candle. Last gonna finish 815. Okay, guys, I'm gonna send you guys new levels here. Let's just monitor this. Look at the rejection coming in. So we're probably going to look at NASDAQ coming in for that news. Goldie, we're going to follow through. It looks pretty bullish. There we go. Okay, so just close movement here on gold. You can see still continuing, guys. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. All right, guys. Got a pretty key level here. Right at that daily. Okay. So we're going to watch and see on NASDAQ, see if that's going to break below near that 11,890. So it's NASDAQ. Going to erase that daily resistance we're going to use here. $11,883. Okay. Let's take a look at the Dow one more time. Now gold is getting rejected here. Okay, Dow's already done from yesterday, so we don't really need to do too much. This is on fibs. Okay, so we can erase those. Right. Let's take a look at a key level on the Dow Jones here. $337.61.7. Okay, right around there. So we're going to watch and see the Dow here. Okay, 3376, roughly 62. Okay, so that's a critical level here. We're going to see how that's going to play out. So let's go look at gold. Rejected. NASDAQ's getting a little rejected. Okay. See Goldie here. Okay, look at that big rejection of the supply, guys. Okay, there we go. Big bullish movement. All right. Okay, let's go take a look at the DXY here. Still in that consolidation. Okay. Guys, what are your thoughts on gold and NASDAQ? What do you guys think? You guys think gold is going to go bullish or bearish? What are your thoughts on NASDAQ? NAS will drop. Let's see here, guys. It had a big push past that 11,883. Okay. It had a big push here. So we're just going to watch and see. I like gold and maybe the short retracement, maybe bullish. I think a long term is going to be bullish, okay, personally, but I think we're going to have a little bit of retracement coming in here, okay. Why is that irrelevant? I just like to ask other people's opinions because I know a lot of people want to give them. So that's the only reason why. Look at Goldie here holding that level, okay. There's the Dow already dropping down below, guys. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. A little bit of distorted. You can see cool off period for the RSI. Okay, price is still making highs here. So I think we can probably get back to a level of support, then maybe, get that critical. You see the break of structure we had over here, volume-based candle. All right, so the Dow will be interesting. I like the big volume here. Okay, we are still getting that little retracement coming for that 8:30 time. Okay. Let's go watch the Goldie. Look at this, guys. So see how it's holding at 1775. Big bullish volume here. So see that level of support it's holding, okay? It's roughly 1775. Numbers could be a little bit skewed just based on the chart. Remember, this is on a Wanda. You see NASDAQ is starting to crash back down. So it's going to probably either hold or fold during that level, guys. It's a critical 11,883, okay? Goldie. There's the Dow. Okay, around 2 minutes left, guys. It's going to be 825. So this is either going to be a neckline or a demand zone support level here. You can see what we're coming with. All right, Goldie. A little bit indecisive right now. Look at that candle here. Okay, and then you have NASDAQ coming right close to that level. Let's see the DXY GU starting to hold a little bit of support. And then there's the DXY, guys. Okay, holding a nice support level here, guys. You can watch. All eyes are on this news in about 6 minutes here. I think gold, is going to go a little bit bearish, but we'll watch and see. We're obviously going to sit back for the first 5-minute candle, see how it's going to move. But look at what we have here on the DXY. GU, NASDAQ melting back down. Gold indecision. Okay, we have the Dow coming to that critical level here. And you can see the Dow starting to reject and push back down here, almost 40 pips. Here we're picking up some volume here. Okay. All right, guys, what do you guys want to feel? What are you guys feeling like doing? You guys want to do NASDAQ, or what are you feeling like? The Dow Jones? What are you guys' thoughts? So take a look at NASDAQ here. Okay, holding that critical level. Nothing breaking below. Okay, we got a lot of Dow Jones here. We'll watch Dow. Okay. Watch NASDAQ here, though. Add an alarm. Nice support level hold. Okay. Goldie, we're trying to push. Then you can see the Dow starting to hold here. Okay. So nice big pump. All right, support level hold here. Look at NASDAQ. Got about 828, guys. Okay, so let's just watch the Dow here, see how it's going to move. All right, so if you already missed that, just take a break, take a seat here. All right. Okay, so if you're new, don't trade 8:30. Wait maybe 5 minutes, the first candle, and then we can look to trade after, okay? So that was pre-news. Okay. Now we're coming right back to that critical level here, 8:30 time. "21 seconds, guys. We're going to watch everything here. Let's watch the flash, dumps, or pumps. How we're going to move. Okay, so there we go. Nothing prior. All right. So pre-news, nice sell-off here. Liquidity grab. Now price is pumping up. Look at this, guys. Big volume. Okay, breaking that critical level here. Let the first 5-minute play out. Volume base, guys. Okay, let's see Goldie. There we go. There's gold. Big push. Okay, coming to that daily level. Let's watch and see now. We're going right now. Everything is pushing, guys. Everything is pushing. Okay, critical level right here. How are we going to break this? Okay, Dow. Let's see NASDAQ. NASDAQ didn't break below. Look at this. Okay, big pushes. GU's pumping, guys. Let's see DXY. Nice big dump off. Look at that continuation sell here. Okay, look at that structure break. All right, guys. Nothing pulled for me. Big bullish trend here continuing. All right, let's watch and see the first 5 minutes. Okay, so we had that nice sell-off here, quick support hold, and then price started to push back up. All right, so post-news, nothing happened. PPI, let's see what we got going on here. Let's go to the news and switch it up. Okay, so guys, PPI 0.2, okay, and then core PPI neutral 0. All right, so that's why everything DXY dumped off and everything else started to pump. Okay, big bullish movements here. Okay, everything is starting to fly. Goldie's getting a little rejection. Okay, and everything is starting to push. Okay, so nothing closed below here, just starting to continue in that bullish direction. Okay, so nice continuations here. Let's see what we got going on. Goldie's still pumping up right into supply. So let's see what the next move is on gold. Still about a minute left. Let's see the daily bullish target here, guys. Let's go take a look. There we go. There's that break of structure. Okay, big resistance level break. Everything is pushing, guys. US 30 about to hit. Let's see NASDAQ. The daily target. I went the wrong way, guys. My bad. There's NASDAQ. There's the daily target hit, guys. So remember we tapped that daily level. So see the structure wick fill, nice continuations. Okay, DXY just probably hit that 1066. 1056, there we go. Okay, so gold is probably going to go to that 1800 level, guys. Let's watch and see here. Okay, so here's that new candle, guys. Let's watch and see. All right. 1783 coming to that level. All right, let's take a peek here. $17.83 identical. Let's watch and see that level here. Okay, so we're in supply. Let's see if we're going to tap that 1783 mark. Okay, that would be an area for possible selling. Okay, let's see how it's going to make its move. It's coming off of a big spike, all right, but again, it's pumping into supply, so we'll just monitor how price action is going to move. See how they're getting rejected, almost identical to each other. Candles opening and closing, okay, at that 1785. All right, so let's watch and see how this is going to move. It looks like they're going to hold support here. Okay, so nothing's going to break down below. If it does, guys, that's the area we're going to look for sells. Okay, we'll take a look at the Dow here, 34,000, 33,400. Where we're at here. Not 400, my bad. $34,000, right up at the top here. Where's that level? So we're going to mark and see what that critical support level is. Okay, we got about 33,900, 33,925 at that wick. Okay. Let's check out gold. Okay, NASDAQ too. Still bullish here, guys. Okay. Still pushing up, about 2 minutes left. Let's see. Nice continuations here. All right, let's watch 845, guys. Everything is still strong. Look at Goldie here picking up volume. Okay, we're coming back to that 34,000, guys, on the Dow Jones. Watch your spreads too. Spreads are going to be, probably floating at this time. Okay, so about a minute, just under a minute left, guys. Let's see how this is going to move. Everything is still pushing. Supply area is getting a little bit of rejection here. 8:45 is going to be the nice trend continuation time. All right, we have nice support level hold at 1783. Okay, guys, so here's that 840 candle here. They're holding above that daily. Let's watch and see the Dow here. Everything is getting rejected at this time, guys. Okay, so you can see we had that pre-news sell. Let's watch and see at this critical level right here. Okay, we're at a pretty nice resistance coming in, 30,910 coming. Let's take a peek here. Let's watch and see gold. So gold's still getting rejected, coming at that 1783 mark. All right, you can see NASDAQ's probably forming a little bit of a flag here. All right, so holding nice strength. Dow was still holding here too. Okay, let's go see Goldie. There goes gold breaking from supply. All right, pushing past that 1783 mark. Let's see here. Nice big sell-off happening. Okay, so monitor Goldie. Let's see what's going on in Dow Jones here. Let's see if that impulsive spike was just manipulation at its finest. It looks pretty strong here. Okay, still strength is holding, guys. Nothing breaking below in the Dow. Look at gold still holding. Okay, nice rejection coming out from 83. Look at NASDAQ, a little bit of rejection here too. If the Dow breaks, guys, we're probably coming back down to that 33,762 area. Okay. Okay, big move, impulsive candles, all news, all the past times that we've been trading news, guys. Okay. So let's see on NASDAQ now if we're going to break that critical 12,000. Where's it? 30. There we go. So there's 12,063. That was the day. Let's watch and see 12,030. There we go. Okay, so NASDAQ still holding here. The Dow selling off. Goldie's dumping off hard. There goes gold. Remember we talked about that 83 move? Remember you guys have had this from a while. It's about a 50 pip drop here on gold. Let's see the Dow Jones. Okay, so still holding. Nice level of support here. Let's see if we can break that. Okay. And look at gold starting to find that level of support here. Still breaking. Okay, so that's why we wait for news to happen. Okay, a lot of stuff can be erratic here. Nice impulsive moves. All right. And you can see we're still selling off. Okay, so let's watch and see here. NASDAQ breaking below just a bit. Goldie picking up volume. The Dow still holding here. Okay, so nothing breaking below, guys. Critical level hold so far. Okay, so the Dow is still finding that 33,883 support. Okay, got about 845. Okay, so let's go take a peek here. Let's take a look at the DXY, guys. Set an alarm here. Let's just see if we can get back to that critical level. All right, Goldie's holding. NASDAQ is starting to fall here. GU's falling a bit. Okay, look at the DXY, guys, starting to hold. Okay, we got a nice level of 105.3. Okay, 105.340. Okay, we're still holding strength, guys. Still holding some strength here. So let's see. So we got some buyers stepping in. All right, about a minute and 23 seconds, guys. This is going to be that 850 candle. All right. So then we got that nice 10-minute leisurely time until that new hourly switch up. Okay, there we go. Nice support level hold here. walking slowly to the upside, guys. I can see a little bit of a downtrend in terms of the wick rejection here. Okay, you can see it's got to break above there to continue the bullish trend. If not, she's going to be tough. Let's go take a look at Goldie here now. Okay, so monitor gold, guys. Nice sell pressure here. Okay, everything is starting to flip, guys. Nice retracement. Look at NASDAQ holding. Look at the Dow holding here. Nice test. Okay. So let's see what we got above these wicks. All right, that's an area where sellers have taken control. That's that 34,000. Okay, so big moves, guys. All right. Strength is still bullish. All right. But we're going to watch and see at these critical levels here. We got about 9 minutes to that new hourly change up. Okay, flat top bottom here. A little bit of rejection coming in. Okay, price is still looking pretty bullish, getting back to that 34,000. But we'll watch and see. And NASDAQ's holding too. Okay, pretty strong. Let's see what we got going on in here. Nice resistance area. All right, so same as NASDAQ. Same as the Dow Jones. We got to break this level right here to continue in the lower low. All right. Oh, guys, there goes gold. Oh my goodness. Look at that zone to zone, guys. Oh my goodness, that thing is tanking, guys. 98 pips from that 83 level here. Wow. Okay, big sell off. So from 83 with patience, guys, that would have been the trade. Have your stop loss button near the daily here, above if you'd like. Okay, but that would have been in and around there. Okay, and that's the trade running. Okay, so zone to zone. The Dow is getting a little rejection coming into that demand area. All right. So indices looking pretty bullish still. We got to get below if anything, guys. All right, everything is starting to retrace now. Let's watch and see. If we get below this demand area, guys, this thing's going to sell off, okay? Like, this thing's looking pretty good for a short, but don't enter in prematurely, okay? Don't enter in prematurely. We're going to just stay patient. We're going to watch and see if we can break that level. And there goes gold. Okay, then there's the Dow here still holding. All right, let's see, look at NASDAQ here. NASDAQ still holding. All right, strength is still very strong. Okay, so nothing's breaking below that 12,900. 12,000 is critical level, guys, just below here. Let's mark that up. Okay, right where that support level is being held, right near that wick. Okay, so let's see Goldie here. Still filling that potential wick at the bottom. Okay, so it bounced out of demand, guys. So the buyers looking like they're taking control here. So nice zone to zone breakout. That was a $4 move zone area. Okay, from zone to zone, from the demand to the sells, so the supply. Look at that candle right there. That's one thing we got to keep in mind. All right, that initial candle was about 100 pips. Okay, that initial impulse candle, and now you can see they're getting some pullback movement here. A lot of the wicks starting to step in. Buyers, we tapped in there, so I think that we can probably take this thing back up short term, maybe to at least the 15-minute 1780, maybe 1781. Okay, everything else is still holding bullish here, guys. The Dow is still holding. All right, nothing breaking below yet. It's still bullish. Okay, so give it a little bit of time here. We're going to see if we're going to maybe test that supply zone one more time. I'm not in anything, guys, at this current time. I'm waiting for that new 9 a.m. change up. I want to see the DXY, see how it's recovering at all. There's GU selling, and then there's your DXY. Okay, so 2 minutes left, and then we're coming to that new hourly change up. So from 8:55, guys, you're going to see a little bit of a bigger move here to 9 a.m. All right, be really interesting to see these types of moves coming in. This is bullish trading, guys. All right, everything flip bullish. Remember, the short-term pullbacks could be short-lived. Just remember the overall trend. All right. Okay, so Goldie, I want to see if we're going to maybe fill that bottom wick here. Just under a minute coming in. And we're just under a minute right now, guys. Okay. Indices are floating bullish. Okay, still holding that level. See the Dow here is still holding. Okay, so still holding demand, nothing breaking below, guys. All right. It's looking like we're still going to break to that supply zone. Test that 34,000 one more time. Okay, so just about 10 seconds, guys, and we're going to see that new hourly flip. Let's see how we're going to make a move. Still floating bullish, guys, bouncing out of demand here, so nothing closed below. All right, so let's just wait and see how this is going to move. Everything is still holding bullish. Okay, so here's the new hourly change up. Let's monitor this accordingly. All right, you can still see everything is continuing. Nice bullish trend. So let it do its tricks, guys. Let it make its moves here. Okay, if this thing does sell off, if it does, let's take a look at that 4-hour time frame. Okay, look at what we got going on here. All right, look at the 4-hour. Okay, if this doesn't tell you bullish, I don't know what does. All right, look, we have rejection, support, rejection, support, rejection coming in. Okay, support level hasn't been made yet, just so far. Okay, but this is a double bottom, guys. If this is a triple top, price action, you know, can get back down and maybe fill that wick. That's a big move if we maybe make it down to 33,400, but that's a far-fetched type of move coming in for market open here. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys on the 4-hour what we're looking like. Okay, let's monitor now gold U2. A lot of wicks after the big move on gold, guys. A lot of wicks after the big move on gold. NASDAQ, a little bit of rejection coming in here. I like the wick hold so far. Okay. And everything, there we go. Everything is flipping bullish, guys. There goes the Dow. Okay, so remember we talked about not breaking demand, and we're still floating up here. Okay. Okay, so it's about just 902. All right. Let's see how we look to the left here. Okay, guys, so you can see what's happening from structure. We're coming to a critical area. So this supply zone at 34,000. All right. You see we have another rejection mark coming in just below it. Okay. You can see that to the left, the structure is starting to push price down. So that's another area right there. Okay. It's pretty obvious that everything will be a sell-off. Just wait, guys. You don't know that 100%. Okay. It's just consolidating between zone to zone. All right. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this thing's going to sell off or continue to the upside? Okay, let's see if we're going to get a correction here. All right, 904, guys. All right, 904 coming in. So still that level's holding here, all right? Okay, so here we go. First 5-minute candle, the new hourly has now gone past. Let's watch and see how this price is going to move here, okay? So sell pressure coming in. Okay, you see that oil is a little bit of retracement here. The Dow's pushing back down. Gold got rejected as well. Okay, you can see NASDAQ got rejected. Okay, now we're all in that critical level here. Nice consolidative move. We're going to see the bigger overall moves happening at 9:30. Okay. Support, hold, support, hold, support, hold on demand here. Okay, everything is starting to hold now. All right. So I think it's just going to consolidate for the next big move, guys. That's why I said just hold tight. If you miss the overall big move at the news, this is stuff is going to happen here. Okay, it's going to happen more often than not. They're going to put in a consolidation after a larger volume move, and then you're going to see the bigger move happening at market open. All right, just the way it is. Guys, I haven't punched one trade today at all, but I really like these indices, and I like that we're at that critical impulsive push. Take a look at the 15. Okay, so we can erase this right now. And on the 15-minute time frame, you can see nice rejection here coming in. And we're just going to watch and see. Okay, so here we go, nice rejection. Again, coming below that 30,910. Okay, I just gotta quickly go let the doggy in for 2 seconds. All right, give me, and I will be right back. Uno momento. Okay, so you can see demand level is being held pretty strong at that 33880 mark. Okay, so let's take a peek more at gold. Gold is back in that consolidative structure here. Okay, you can see have nice sell area coming in. All right, but let it do its thing, guys. You can see these long wicks here. Okay, price is starting to get flip a little bit bullish. Okay, you can see it's going to test that 4 hour one more time. Here we go. Here's the strength stepping in, 909. All right, first 5-minute candle's done. This is the second one. Let's see the strength stepping. You can see gold picked up volume, Dow picked up volume. Okay, everything is starting to pick up volume here, guys. All right, NASDAQ is the only one that's kind of lagging behind. The rest of them are starting to, get that momentum here, okay? So let's watch and see here, guys. Like, be very careful with anything. Here's that 910 candle here just opening up. All right, this is consolidation at its finest. So what we can do, all right, is we can erase all this right here. Okay, we can erase everything. I'm going to keep this level right here in the supply zone just above. All right, we know this is previous structure. Okay, previous structure supply. So blue. Okay, and then I'm going to consolidate, trap, and gap this right here. Okay, and then same thing for gold you can do. Okay, the only thing that's catching my eye right here is this engulfing candlestick. All right, so just keep that in mind. Have a nice bullish engulfing candlestick coming in here. Okay, so that's a bullish trend reversal. If price, is going to have that volume pick up and hold that 4 hour here. Okay, if not, you're going to see this thing probably sink back down, maybe get 50% below here. Okay, and then maybe the next candle will open up and continue. If not, then this whole candle could fill actually back down to that 1775. All right, guys, I'm just telling you right now, just relax. Okay, I know you guys are impulsive right now, but it's 9:12. We got 9:30 coming up in about 15 minutes here. No one needs to be in any kind of trades. We can see what's happening here. The volume is still holding. All right, we can even trap this bad boy right here. Okay, so we can see here that if NASDAQ breaks, guys, we're coming right back down to fill that wick. Sorry, to fill that volume candle. Maybe right down to the left. Okay, this has been held 1, 2, 3 times. We're going to see if it's going to test the fourth. If it holds there, guys, we know it. This is absolutely 100% consolidation. I want to see the DXY here. Look at GU, guys. Still the same thing here. Okay, now same with US 30 and NASDAQ. There's long wick. Okay, so that's a critical tip, and just an identifier that price has been there before. We can possibly get there again, maybe at this time, or maybe later on in the day. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Let's see the DXY. All right, take a look. Nice push momentum here coming in. All right, GU selling off here. NASDAQ is breaking down. Gold is getting pushed back down. Remember, we talked about possible engulfing candle. You can see what it's doing right now. Okay. And then we have the Dow Jones starting to sell off too. I'm in a Dow Jones sell, guys, up 200 bucks. That's just my own trade. My stop's at break even on this. We'll see how it goes. Just so you guys can see it, I'll send it to you. Okay, here's the open move, new candle. All right, let's see this volume here, guys. Always protect yourself by wearing a stop loss. Okay, I'm up 250 bucks on this one, and it's still dumping off. I took the break of structure leading out of this. So this is the trade right here that we took. Okay, don't get greedy on this. You can still got 915 coming in. All right, that was the trade for me. Whether it gets down below my stop loss is at break even. So let's just watch. Okay, same thing. Let's see the Dow Jones. Let's see. There's the gold. Okay, you can see it's holding that level of support here, guys. Pretty critical. All right, you can see NASDAQ still holding too. Let's see if they push back up and test. It's that 915 candle, guys. All right, 915. Got about 2 minutes and 42 seconds left. Okay. And guys, patience pays off here, like I'm telling you right now, especially if you didn't want to trade that news. Okay, so you see how they consolidated it. All right, on pretty much everything. The only thing that kind of had bigger moves was gold. All right. That happened at that 83 sell-off here, and if you missed that, you can see now we're just back in that consolidation on gold. Okay. All right, new candles opening up shortly. About 2 minutes here. Okay, let's go take a look at everything else. Gold, NASDAQ still holding below. And then you have GU, guys. Okay. Pardon. I'm mainly looking at this DXY. Okay, guys, so you can see the DXY dropped. All right. And then you can see that it had that nice rejection coming at the bottom structure. Okay, so this is going to be critical level for the DXY. If we can break above here, we're going to probably start to push back and test that overall trend. If this thing starts to sell off, guys, you can see everything probably starting to reverse. All right. But how perfect was that? All right, you can see based on the news, nice trend continuation here. We had both levels set 106.6, okay, and then 105.6. Look at the perfect break of structure here. Nice trend, big volume base sell. All right, and it's still continuing to retrace in that bullish direction. Okay. But again, look at the 15-minute time frame. All we're doing is following the trend here. Okay, so look at that big wick at the 105,400. Okay, if price, wants to push back down, okay, then we can probably fill that wick at some point. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, who knows. Let's take a look at the hourly. We haven't been this low. Let's take 4 hour. Okay, here we go. So the last time we were around here, guys, was August. Okay, on August 11th, August 12th, sorry. All right, and you can see the structure, what happened here. Ignore all the big moves and the lines. Okay, but that's where we're at right now. August 11th, August 12th. Look at that low. If we break here, guys, we're coming back down to that, 103, 104 area. Okay, that'd be pretty intense, guys. And you can see we're still floating bullish. And it's 9:21. Okay, gold is in a little bit of a flag here too. Okay, I can see a flagpole. All right, I'm just gonna leave that down there. So that erased, that bullish engulfing candlestick got erased here. And there goes gold, guys. The Dow was still selling off. I'm at 40 pips on the Dow from that sell. Let's see. You can see it slowly breaking down. So if you guys did take anything like this, remember we have the market open. My stop loss at break even. I'm just going to let this thing ride. I don't care if it spikes up and hits it. It is what it is. Okay. Andrea, what's up? Where is she? Andrea, I didn't see your move or your comment. Sorry, I had it closed. Okay, 2 minutes here, guys. At 9:25, candle is going to be the close, and we're going to see how this is going to move. All right, you can see by the bottom wick. Okay, you can see how it's starting to hold here. All right, the buyers are kind of stepping in at this area, roughly 33845. Andrea, the green box is the trade of entry. And it was set up for probably about 15 minutes. Okay, let's watch gold here. Picking up some volume. Okay. Support level is being held at 1775, guys. Okay, same with the Dow here. Picking up some volume. Okay, remember I told you the Dow. Buyers are slowly stepping in here. You can tell by that bottom wick. Okay, see how it was pushing back up? You can see the price volume switch from green. Sorry, it was flickering from red to a little bit of a bottom wick here, and now flipping green. That's obviously just the buyer stepping in. Okay. Last minute of that 8:25 candle, guys. Here we go. Yeah, and Andrea, it was a 10 lot. Okay, so that's only 20 pips. That micro movement from the entry on green box to where it is now, that was the move for me. I wasn't in from the top wick or end supply or anything like that. 7 seconds, guys. Here's the last 5-minute candle. Okay, before that new candle opens up here, and then we have the market open just after here. Okay, so let's watch and see how price is going to move. See if we can break that low wick and then make a new lower low. Sorry guys, just talking to Zoom here. Okay, so let's see what's going on in the Dow here. Still testing that low. All right, guys. So we got about 27 seconds. Oh, sorry, about 2 minutes here. So if new, do not trade 9:30 a.m. New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, maybe wait 5-10 minutes for market to settle. Use stop loss and trailing stop where applicable. Do not risk more than 1%. Okay, so pretty straightforward, guys. Let's go over this again. Okay, if you're new, don't trade 9:30 New York Stock candle. Okay, it's going to be volume based. All right, wait 5-10 minutes for the market to settle. Okay, use stop loss and trailing stop where applicable, and do not risk more than 1%. Okay, pretty straightforward here. I'm not going to remove this. We're just going to see how this trade on the Dow is going to play out. And we're still selling off, guys. I'm running about 600 bucks on this. Okay, remember this is a rejection coming in at the triple top. Okay, my stop loss at break even, if it rejects and pushes back up, okay, then it's going to take me out. All right, Aditya, per trade or overall general. If you're going to do overall, you got to just calculate what your risk is for that 1% and how many trades you want to do in one day. Okay, guys, here we go. Remember, the trend is bullish, so if you guys are in any kind of sells, you can secure right now. It's around running 50 pips if you'd like to. All right, 4 seconds, here we go. Okay, pushing back up. A little bit of delay here, guys. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. I'm still in, haven't got taken out just yet. Let's monitor everything else. Look at gold dumped back down here. You can see NASDAQ impulsive push. Okay. You can see they're starting to push price back to the upside here. Okay, guys, I was taken out on that stop loss. And the price continues to the upside here. So big momentum swing. Okay, GJ's pushing everything, guys. Let's watch and see on the Dow. Okay, there we go. You can see nice trade, nice bullish continuation here. Stop loss, break even taken out. All right, and now we're starting to ride. Okay, big bullish momentum here. And we're starting to push, guys. Okay, big bullish momentum here, continuing the overall trend. And here we go. Okay, 930 candle, very, very bullish, guys. You see why it's important to move your stop loss to break even? Okay, we're pushing into that supply area again. And let's take a look at NASDAQ and gold here. Goldie, a little bit of sell-off pressure here. NASDAQ found a little bit of support. Okay, the Dow was obviously the bigger move. Okay, and then you can see what we got going on here. Okay, so I'll mark that up for you guys just so you can see. Okay, and we're still pushing up, guys. You see how important it is to use your stop loss? Okay, let's watch and see now. There's about 1 minute and 27 seconds left. If this breaks that structure here, guys, it's going to make a new high, so a higher high. All right, we're bullish. Remember, we talked about bullish pressure. Okay, you can see by that volume-based candle open is ignited. Okay, there's nothing below. All right, no lower wick, no nothing. Okay, so nice rejection coming in. See Goldie here. There goes gold, guys. Big sell-off, breaking that structure. Okay, still continuing that flagpole, consolidation, flag movement. Okay, here we go. Now let's see the potential push. Then you can see the Dow here. Here we go, guys. Here's the big momentum swing, guys. Here we go. 34,000. We're going to see if we can push. Okay, here we go. Everything is running based on the Dow Jones. Okay, big momentum swing here. All right, guys, the supply area is strong. Let's see. Give it the first little bit. Here we go. About 3 minutes left on the secondary candle. I'm not too sure just yet, guys. If we make that high, I want to see if we're going to get to 34,000. You can see by me getting taken on a BE, all right, that I'm just being very patient right now. So let's go see NASDAQ here. There goes gold, big sell-off. There's NASDAQ getting pushed down just a bit. All right. So let's see here, guys. This is the ignited candle that I'm watching right here. Like, this thing is strong. The trend is still continuing. This is the structure supply from the left. Remember, supply zone we have right here, but look at the momentum they push. If we're going to continue, guys, all right, this wick is going to be filled, but you can see the rejection starting to happen here. Okay, so let's watch and see. Okay, they're still strong, guys. Still very, very strong. So we'll take a look at NASDAQ. Okay, finding a little bit of indecisive right now. Careful buying gold, guys, even if it does push back. All right, maybe wait until 9:45. It's a little bit of a spin top candle here. Okay, I think we're going to tap that 1760, at least 1770 here. We're coming back down. We've almost made that bottom wick low. Okay, but it's not there yet. All right, so just give it for this candle 45 seconds, and we're going to see how it's going to play out. Then you can see the Dow here. It's strong, guys. It's very strong right now. Okay, so nice candle close here, right back in consolidation. We got to get out of here. Okay, you can see how prices push back in. All right, this is the key I'm looking for, guys. You put about 200 on the sell, right? No, I haven't sold. I got stopped out at break even on this initial impulse candle, guys. So let's see if we're going to continue here. DXY is kind of floating bullish. There goes NASDAQ here, slowly selling off. GU's dumping down. There goes the DXY, guys. Look at this. Remember, we talked about this right back in. Okay. There goes gold. Remember, I talked about the gold buys. Just be careful, guys. Watch until it sees 1770. Okay, so let it play out, guys. Okay, so I'm just patience right now. Patience, patience, guys. Look at gold here. Okay, so see 1770. Let's see here. Let's mark this up, 1770. All right, see that wick? Now we can watch and see on gold. Just be patient here, guys. You can see that critical number. All right, pushing all the way back down. Always look for whole numbers, guys. I talked to you about this. 1770, 1725, 1750, 1800, those types of moves. All right, always look for whole and quarter numbers. Okay, patience, guys. I'm telling you, if you just have a little bit of patience here, you'll be able to play this pretty nice. And there goes the DXY, probably popping off. Let's see the Dow Jones. Okay, I don't like the way this is moving. Whole numbers like 1770, okay, 1725, 1750, 1775, 1800. Always look for those, guys. Why didn't you close US 30 when you're up? Aditya, I was at break even. Okay, I was willing to risk the trade, thinking that price was going to continue in the trend. That's just me. I was up about 600 bucks. Okay, that's my bad. But honestly, if it dumped down to the possible sell area 3376, would have been happy. Okay, but again, does it really matter? It break even, right? So it doesn't really affect the account too much. So if I just let that thing ride, okay, you could see that I probably would have been down about 600. That's why stop loss is so important, guys. It's the most important thing in trading, risk management. All right. There goes gold. NASDAQ finding a bit. All right. I guarantee it at 10 o'clock, guys, you're going to see a nice big move happen. 10, 10:30. Post New York is going to be a fantastic session here. Okay, I can already tell it right now. Okay, so here's that original entry. can see it starting to sink down here. All right. About 4 minutes left. So if I would have held personally, okay, I would have went through a shitstorm of drawdown, probably sweated it out, okay, you know what I mean, like heavy sweats here, and then it's like you're hope and praying that the price is going to get back there. All right, so you guys got to see that risk management is very important at this, especially during market open, okay. And here we go, guys. Okay, let's see how it's going to make a move. Okay, so just chill here. If this thing breaks the low here, guys, it's probably going to continue in the sell. All right. And the low is that bottom 33815. If it's going to hold there, guys, I think this thing's going to push up. Like, if we break that level, see, this is the trend line. Pardon me. Sorry, guys. My throat is killing me right now. Look at what's holding here, okay? Okay, so still choppy, guys. 948 coming in. All right, so let's see 10 o'clock. See if there's any news here, guys. 10 a.m. Okay, we got a member bar speaker, okay, coming in at 10. So not really much news, okay, but you can still see we're holding that trend, guys. Okay, a lot of rejection coming in, up or down. There we go, nice little sell, testing that trend line here. Let's take one quick peek at gold. There's that 1770 break here following the trend. Okay, the DXY is still pushing, guys, I can tell. There goes NASDAQ. There goes GU selling off. There goes the DXY pushing up. So full retracement, guys. This thing is going to go bullish. Okay, DXY, and there goes the Dow Jones coming back down. See how it's breaking structure here? If this DXY breaks out, guys, this thing is going to dump, sorry. Give it to the candle close and see if it's going to hold this support level here. Okay, so see what we talked about last 20-40 seconds here, starting to hold. Okay, so see that support level didn't break below. Remember, that was the key right there, guys. That was the key right there. All right. You can see now we're holding. Okay, if this thing starts to flip, this thing's going to go bullish, guys. Okay, so just give us some time here. 950. Okay, same level as support as the previous structure to the left. Okay, take a look. It's no joke, guys. It's the same thing. Okay, now is the critical time where we're going to watch and see, is it going to break this and make a new low? We do have a wick that's pierced through. Okay, or is it going to hold that volume here and start to push up? So right now I am in indecision right now. I haven't pulled one trade after getting stopped out. I'm personally probably going to wait until 10:30 to take any more trades, guys. Just FYI. It's up to you whether you guys want to do the same, but I'm not willing to risk anything for a small micro movement like this. Okay, I'd rather catch a bigger move. Sorry, guys. I told you I wasn't feeling good. Bigger move coming off on the new hourly, which is about 8 minutes here. Okay, gold is still at that 1770 area. Okay, NASDAQ push back down. Okay, see what I mean? Right, following this arrow here, almost made it down. Okay, break a structure. NASDAQ was nice, guys, simply because it didn't have that big impulsive move like the Dow. So regardless if you had a trade in the trade below here, let's just set this up. Regardless if you did and you moved your break even stop loss to break even, okay, you would have been tapped out at that wick. If you didn't and you gave your stop loss a bit of room, okay, at the top of the box right here, you still would have been fine, okay. But again, we didn't really trade NASDAQ, but that would be a nice trade setup for, a possible entry coming off the impulsive big push that happened on news. All right. So, but just watch and see how this is going to play out. Okay, there goes gold hold. Remember we talked about 1770 here. Elaine, happy birthday. I just saw that and I just pulled up the Zoom chat again. Happy birthday. That's amazing. The big 4-0. Collecting oil and trading on your birthday. What more could you ask for? Okay, so there we go, guys. You can still see it's holding. So I'm going to stay for about 7 more minutes and watch how this is going to move. Okay. Look at this, guys. So it's still dancing around. About 30 seconds, guys. Okay, so still break a structure coming in. All right, here we go, guys. Here's that new candle open. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, are they going to fill that bottom wick or hold this structure? That's the key I'm looking for. This looks like a double bottom, guys. As much as I hate to say it, this right here looks like a dub bottom, but we'll watch. Let's watch and see if they're going to push this back up. The trend is bullish, guys. Just remember that. The trend is bullish. 4 hours, just a large wick, okay? So let's see if we can get above here. This looks pretty bullish, guys. Let's just have some patience here. See if we can get that continuation. $17.70, guys. Critical number. Okay, 1770. All right, remember that. All right, guys. Got about 3 minutes left. Okay, let's see if this is going to continue buying. This looks like a dub bottom here. Oh, there it goes, guys. See what I mean? This is following similar structure here. Okay. We know the buyers are still there, guys. We know that wick to the left. Okay. About 1 minute and 42 seconds. Let's watch and see the continuation on that new hourly here. That's a big buying candle, guys. Like I said, just be very careful if you guys are still selling. It can still have an impact, but that new hourly change up 10 a.m. is going to have the impact here. Okay. Here we go, just under 1 minute now. I'm going to stay till about 10:05, guys. Watch this news come in. Pardon me. Okay, guys, so just on 10 seconds. All right, we got that big news coming up here. Not big news, but we have that new hourly change up in the news coming in. All right, so let's see it. How's the new candle looking here? Okay, so consolidated, maybe pushing back down. Let's see if we're going to hold that trend though. Here's 10 a.m. guys, so watch first 5-minute candle here. Let's see how this is going to play out. Okay, buying the dips, guys. Let's see if that's going to fill that wick here. All right. Let's see here. Got 3 minutes, guys. This thing is bullish here. Okay, this thing is strong at this time. It's looking like it's going to push to 34,000 again. Okay, so from sellers to buyers here, looking at this wick to the left. Okay, that's my critical area that I'm looking for. Right up in there. Okay. Target is 34,000. Let's see if we're going to get it. Here's the push down, previous resistance. As soon as it breaks here, guys, this thing is going to fly. If it gets rejected, it's going to push back down. Look at that consolidation box, okay? Here we go. Did anyone take those buys here? I took a buy, personally. I got it out of demand. All right. My stop loss is at break even. I'm going to let this trade play out. Let's see if we can tap that 34,000. I just closed 60 pips, guys. So today in the call, I made 560, 585, sorry, on that one US 30 buy. Okay, so guys, that's it. 10:05 here coming in. Let's watch and see. Okay. Finishing up here in about 32 seconds. Okay, let's go take a look at everything else here. Look at gold still holding at that 1770, guys. Look at that critical 17, man. NASDAQ found support level. Okay, it started to push back up as well. Look at GU finding a little bit of a trace. Everything's pushing and flipping. Okay, look at the DXY, okay, guys. I can't lie about this. This was drawn beforehand. Look at this previous rejection. Okay, and it respected that area again, so started to sell. Okay, so monitor the DXY here, guys. It's 10:05. I'm going to give the call an end. Okay, members, we have another session coming in at 10:30. All right, that's going to be really nice, I think. All right, so guys, just monitor everything that you're looking to trade with. You can see the DXY is still floating bearish here. You have the Dow floating a little bit of rejection coming at 33925. Okay, starting to push back down. All right, so guys, today was a good call. All right, we didn't. If you did take this impulsive candle here, then you know what I mean. If you guys caught it, congratulations. If you didn't, it's perfect because it showed you how to work with patience. Okay, patience pays off in this game. Also moving your stop loss to break even. Okay, this took me out. All right, and the only trade I entered in other than that was this demand buy zone on the US 30 trade. Okay, other than that, guys, I did a total of 2 trades max today in the span of 2 hours. Okay, I know people who probably took around 40. All right, I'm a firm believer in try to respect emotional decisions, okay, and not to let them get out of hand. I have let them get out of hand before, and it's not a fun effort on the account, I'll tell you that. So guys, tomorrow we will resume same time, same channel. Let's see what news we have here. Okay, tomorrow we have big news, guys. Tomorrow retail sales tomorrow is going to be a heavy day. Okay, so get ready. If you're not trading the rest of the day, guys, sit back and relax and enjoy with what happened today. Okay, so God bless, guys. We will see you tomorrow, same time, same channel, and we'll talk to you then. Bye bye.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.